Hey, you two, welcome back. So last time I showed you guys on how to fix this Chromebook when it's not booting up. And somehow this one, the screen went dark again or something. But I think the virus is probably playing tricks. So I tried to do the power wash. And unfortunately right now it's on the boot loop. So when I power on the Chromebook right now, it's keep on having this Google Chrome, and then I keep on rebooting itself. So in case you guys need to restart it, normally you would hit the Shift Control and then Alt key and then R to do like a recovery. Okay. So I try to do the power wash, and then this is what it's doing right now. And then if you want, you could also press the refresh key right here and then power at the same time. But I did that, and after that, for like 10 or 20 seconds, and you let go. And you press power on, and then it's still doing the boot loop. So the last resolution right now is to press the escape key right here, your refresh button, and then power at the same time. So now what we're going to do right now. Okay, and you get this error message. It says Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. So I'm going to show you guys on the video how I download the Chrome OS. So here we go. I'm going to show you the clip, and after that we're going to come back and then do this recovery with the SD card. Alright, right here, just insert the SD card to my MacBook Pro, and then we're going to search CHROMEBOOK Recovery Utility, and it should be the first one that's on the Google Chrome. And you just click on it, and then you're going to download it. So, and then if you have a password, you need to enter your password. So this one I forgot to show you guys, but you would choose either the flash USB flash drive or memory card from a SD card or any other micro SD card, any other kind of memory card that you have. So then you're going to be downloading. So let's go ahead and fast forward this so we don't need to wait on this. So yeah, make sure you don't look at under your Chromebook. The model number on the Chromebook is wrong. So be sure to look at the model number while you're pressing the escape and then refresh and power button. Once you reboot your Chromebook, it will show the model number on the bottom of your screen. And then that's the correct one to download. And then you should be successful. Alright, so here is the memory card that I did download the Chrome OS. I'm going to take it out. I used the MacBook Pro to download this. You can use any other PC or any other Windows laptop. So, and I'm going to insert this in there. It should automatically pick up. The device insert does not contain Chrome OS. Unless I download the wrong one, you gotta pick the correct Chromebook in order to match it. Let me show you internet password. And this is the HP Chromebook 14G4. I entered the wrong one last time. Now it's complete. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like that video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.